Hi, I'm Mary Rogers, Director of Marketing Communications for Cuisinart. This is the Cuisinart Brew Central coffee maker. This is a great coffee maker. It's very popular. It has a stainless steel housing, has lots of features and functions. It has, first of all, a 1 to 4 cup setting, which you use when you're making 1 to 4 cups so that they come out perfectly. It has an hour and a minute button, which you use to program the clock. It has a self-clean feature and a self-clean function. This light will turn red when it's time to clean your coffee maker, and we recommend that you decalcify it using filling the reservoir 1/3 of the way full with white vinegar and the balance with cold water. And it goes through a system where it actually cleans the decalcifies the coffee maker. It also has a program function, which allows you to program your coffee maker to go off at any time during a 24-hour period. It also has a clock feature, the brew feature, which is how you start your coffee maker. It also has a toggle switch that you use to turn it on or off if you prefer. The other thing that you can do is you can program it to go off from any time after it's done brewing, from 0 minutes to 4 hours. So what happens is if you set it like on 4 hours, it'll keep your coffee warm for 4 hours and then it will automatically shut off. It also has a really neat carafe temperature adjuster. It says L, M, or H, so low, medium, or high, and that actually adjusts the temperature of the coffee when it's being brewed. You would use high if you use more milk in your coffee, like I do. You would use low if you actually drink your coffee black, so it's really great. It has a glass carafe, holds 12 cups. This is your warming plate. Has a brew pause feature, so when the coffee is brewing, if you remove the carafe, it'll stop the coffee from brewing into the carafe. You can sneak a cup, and then when you put the carafe back in, it'll continue brewing. It also comes with a charcoal water filter. We recommend that you use this to remove chlorine's taste and odor from your coffee. And what you do is this goes right up in here in your filter holder. You pop it in there after you get it prepared. Put it back in. This is where your water reservoir is, and this coffee maker indicates inside when you look down in the reservoir how much water you've put in. It also has a cone style, commercial style filter. This actually can be used and washed out and reused again. This is what I prefer to use when I make coffee. It actually will make more of what we call European style coffee, which may have a little more sediment in it. If you prefer no sediment in your coffee, we recommend that you use the paper filters. This is also where the water comes out. This works as a shower head, so it showers the water over the coffee, ground coffee very evenly. So there you have it, the Cuisinart Brew Central coffee maker.
The Zojirushi Zuto Coffee Maker is a stylish and truly compact 5-cup coffee maker, full of thoughtful features that make it versatile and simple to use. Designed with convenience in mind, the water tank is removable and easy to fill, with clear water measure lines for hot or iced coffee. And to make coffee taste its best, a replaceable charcoal filter, which lasts up to 2 years under normal use, purifies the water for improved flavor. The uniquely designed cone-shaped filter basket sits directly inside the glass carafe. To make a pot of hot coffee, line the filter basket with a paper filter. Using the included measuring spoon, fill the filter with the desired amount of coffee and secure the cone basket lid. Fill the water tank with water to the level line that corresponds to the number of cups of coffee you'll be brewing. In this case, we are brewing 5 cups of coffee. Place the water tank in the machine and replace the lid. Then turn the switch on. One-button operation makes brewing coffee the most effortless step in your busy morning routine. The Zuto coffee maker brews coffee quickly, and the automatic Keep Warm plate keeps the coffee in the glass carafe warm. To make iced coffee, follow the same procedure for hot coffee, using the scale for ice on the water tank, which adjusts the water to coffee ratio for a stronger brew. Fill your drinking glass to 80% full with ice cubes. Then pour over it with the hot coffee. Coffee is instantly chilled, resulting in bright, great-tasting iced coffee that isn't watered down. As with all of our products, the Zuto coffee maker is easy to clean. The removable water tank and glass carafe set are hand washable. To keep the coffee maker running like new, descale periodically with citric acid cleaner. Sleek, compact, and versatile, the Zojirushi Zuto coffee maker is the perfect addition to any kitchen or office. Zojirushi, inspirations from everyday life.